Welcome to First Look, brought to you by DigiKey and Maxim Integrated. In today's world, ensuring cybersecurity can be like sailing on a rough sea. Cyber attacks come fast and guidance can be uncertain. It can be difficult to know what stable ground looks like in a rapidly changing industry. A cryptographic controller provides a wall to keep the breakers from crashing over. That wall is particularly important when it comes to the Internet of Things and connected hardware, where a compromised system can lead to physical damage or major setbacks such as electrical outages or stolen data. Maxim Integrated's MAXQ1061 DeepCover cryptographic controller can be used to implement security in new designs or easily add security to existing products. It's ideal for applications requiring secure communications, secure storage, and trusted devices and firmware. With the capability to operate over a wide -40 to 109 degrees Celsius temperature range and availability in the TSS OP14 package, MAXQ1061 is even suitable for rugged applications and industrial sensors. Its full cryptographic toolbox opens to reveal key generation and storage, digital signature and encryption capabilities such as SSL, TLS, and DTLS, secure boot for most general-purpose host processors, and more. This support is enabled through a high level of abstraction, including TLS, DTLS key negotiation, ECDSA-based TLS, DTLS authentication, digital signature generation and verification, SSL, TLS, DTLS packet encryption, and MAC algorithms. The MAXQ1061 can be seamlessly added to systems in need of comprehensive cybersecurity. With this level of security and versatility, the MAXQ1061 is appropriate for TLS protocol handling, AES bulk encryption, protection against evasive attacks, and certification management and distribution in industrial controllers, industrial sensors, gateway routers, and consumer communication equipment. 32 kilobytes of user-programmable secure EEPROM is available for storing public, private, and secret keys, as well as certificates and user data. This is managed by a flexible file system enabling custom security policy enforcement. It includes the following cryptographic algorithms: elliptic curve cryptography, also known as ECC, up to NIST P521, ECDSA signature generation and verification, SHA-2 up to SHA-512 secure hash, AES-128 and AES-256 with support from ECB, CBC, and CCM modes, and MAC digest. The built-in command set allows you to easily operate on a 32 kilobyte file system. No firmware development is required. The MAXQ1061 includes a dedicated AES engine to support bulk encryptions up to 200 megabytes. Distributing certificates for connected devices can be a challenge. The 32 kilobytes of EEPROM offers flexibility for certificate storage, simplifying certificate distribution. The MAXQ1061 can manage a public key infrastructure which allows verification of a certificate by a parent certificate, enabling secure and easy distribution of certificates during the product lifetime. If your security setup doesn't require hardware-based security, the MAXQ1061 can also be used to protect the keys needed for public algorithms or serve as a secure bootloader for an external generic microcontroller. Side channel attacks have recently become an inexpensive type of attack. They are used to influence unsecure standard microcontrollers by tracking power consumption or electromagnetic emissions to find keys. The MAXQ1061 is specifically designed to protect against side channel attacks. Replay attacks are also relatively affordable to launch and can be a problem for standard micros because random numbers generated by these micros can lack entropy. The MAXQ1061, on the other hand, has a true random number generator with high entropy to prevent replay attacks. Instead of using battery-packed NVS RAM, the MAXQ1061 EEPROM uses a key buried deep inside the silicon, providing strong encryption. Most secure micros from Maxim include battery-packed NVS RAM, which is required for PCI, PTS, or FIPS 140-2, Level 3 and 4 standard. With this, the MAXQ1061 is not only positioned to address today's security concerns, but is also well positioned to prevent those of tomorrow. See you next time on First Look.